welcome to the channel. What am I doing up here? I'm looking for a box in all these boxes that I have. Which box? The box for this. What is this? This, as I told you a few videos ago, now it's time to put the Schumacher Cougar on the truck. And to do this, there's some work to do. This Schumacher has quite no electrics. The engine and the steering servo. I need the other parts. I've mounted when I had the shop in the middle 90s, perhaps. Yes, middle 90s. I've used it once, just once. It was fantastic, but I was alone and no other competitors. So I use it as a mirror for the birds, like just in the shop to show how to paint in a strange way a body and to show how good is a car like that. But come on here, come here and we take a closer look as usual. As you can see, there's a lot of dust of 30 years stored. The body is obviously Lexan with the pilot, and the body is transparent because in the middle 90s they made some transparent PS colors. I made a sort of mesh. You can define a mesh. This ready engine, and now we have to wash and to put again the Velcro that came out. This is the wing, mounted with some elastic rubber. These are for the suspension. I missed one. We have a ready engine, and these are for the wing. Some little work to do. What I need is a ESC, and for this I think that I will buy an hobby wing, the basic one, the 60, and it's fantastic. I already used it on the ASO. I was very happy. The servo, it's a very old Acorns. Perhaps it works. Straps for the battery and receiver. Very easy. With the car, as I told you, I have also the box that I don't find. Perhaps it is in another box, and obviously all the instructions. This one and this one. Then I have the masking tapes and all the other stickers, very complete. These are the Schumacher's instructions, drawings, no pictures, and despite the aspect, the quality and the technology is very, very high. You choose the position for the battery. It's very technical. The diff. And this is the car. Belt from the main gear to the differential. It's a wonderful car. Instructions folder, and a lot of situations, and these are all the parts. Tires. But I have also here, I still have some spare parts. This is very important, the belt, the shafts, pinions, and not here, but I'm sure that I have one set of tires spare. And this is the work. Now I order the pieces that I don't have. I pick the receiver from the carbon ASO, and I wait to receive the ESC, then we can mount and have a test on the track. I think it will be very, very interesting. Look at this beauty. Oh wow, I found this. Look at this beautiful car. Wait. Comment, like and subscribe. This is elastic. I put some glue. Okay. I can put here. I take it down. Done. And the ESC is arrived. Now I mount everything, but before I would like to tell you something that I'm quite bored to. Okay, 1 and 2 are about 80 euros, $80, it's quite the same. But every time I have to do a car, I have to buy and buy. I know that this is good for the producer, but not for my pocket. And so I decide to carry from a car to another the one who are already ready to run, okay. But 1 and 2 with Velcro. And while I charge the battery, I can put this on. In the memory of the radio, I put the car with all the settings, and I think that at least I have to bind the receiver, at least. Otherwise this receiver is already binded with the car, with the radio, but not that number of car. I have to discover. So open the box, put into the car, charge a battery. I would like to use a LiPo battery, more power. I show you quick motion. Two words about this wonderful speed controller. Here you have two sockets and you can change the position. One is for the running mode, that is forward, brake, reverse. You move and you have front and brake. Then you keep it out, just front and rear. This, the second one, is for the battery. Perhaps here you see better. LiPo, nickel metal hydride. It's very easy to remove and to change the position. Fantastic the switch holder. Switch very smooth. Now I have to change this plug, that is ridiculous. This is a little better, it's much more better, not the best. And then I have to change on the motor this as I want to remove. Normally I used to have direct wires without these connections. But if I want to carry this on other car, this is what I need. Let's do the soldering work. And to solder I have to switch this on. The work is finished. Everything is connected. The wires on the engine are okay. Steering, despite the very old servo, is quite good. Okay. Nothing to say. Lot of power. A little bit of this into that. And now we are ready to have a test on the track. After a few turns on the track, I wasn't happy. The car has something. So I decided to open the engine, to open all the transmission part, and I found the engine in very poor conditions. The rotor was completely rusty, carbon absolutely schmutzig, as they say in Germany. That means dirt, unclean. The bearings rusty. This is the effect of the time. This car was stopped for 30 years about. So I take down everything, I regenerated the parts, and now the engine works very well. I remount in position, grease, and a car that goes very well perhaps will go better. It's raining! Up to the next. Comment, like and subscribe. Ciao!